Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is not our space. You're probably like, where's this girl? Where's this girl? This is Tuvi's room. If you're coming from Tuvi's channel, Tuvi's channel. Hi, my name is Kay. And if you're regular, I'm in my friend's room. Tuvi, think I've told you guys about her. Anyway, today is not about rooms and about what. Today we are having our end of the year girls end year function, slumber party version, you know, nyana. So this video is sponsored by Kashipara Events. Talk to me nice. I'll show you now. This video is sponsored by the one and only Kashipara Events. If you don't know Kashipara Events, I don't know. I'll show you now what he does. Anyway, we're having a girls setup done by him. Kashipara Events does all kinds of setups, wedding receptions, even wedding ceremony if you need your church decorated, the reception, bridal showers, baby showers, couples night, you name it, he's got it, they've got it. So now we are doing a girls night in, because the idea is, why is it that you guys have boarding girls nights? Coming, sitting around each other, nyana. Like, why is it that your girls' nights are so boring? Oh, you guys go all out for relationships, you guys go all out for all of these things, but then when it comes to your girlfriends, you guys give the bare minimum. We are showing you today with Kashipara Events what a girls' night can look like for you guys. Let's go see. No problem. Now imagine now, there are already two content creators, YouTubers here. Now they John Whiteley. No, just remove this chip.
Make it straight.
Oh! There we go.
Do his magic. Guys, concentration. 3 hours before. I'm so
Behind the scenes are real. I like it. I think I don't need my glasses. It's behind the scenes with the girls.
see the face.
And our videographer. Yeah. Guys, look at how stunning this setup is from Ben. Oh, love that, Scoops. Come on, girl.
Is it going to be one continuous for everyone?
I don't know because
Look
I
at
don't
this.
want to see
Cute.
it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's good. Guys, I love my friends so much. They're helping me with all this content.
Yeah.
Oh, I like that
Yeah, I
one.
like that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Better stay.
You see?
I don't have crack anymore. Yeah. This looks nice.
Yes, it does.
Yeah. I love it.
You guys have to engage with this content, okay? You have to.
Please.
You know how much work is going into this?
Please. Say you love us and engage.
My friend is even advocating.
So what are we doing? That's very cutie. Very mindful.
Very demure.
Okay. Okay, pretty now. But you know, the problem is it's so.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Whenever I'm around you, you make me feel whenever I'm around. turn you forever. You see through the storm, take me as I am. Baby, it's magic, every time I look to you. I'm your cousin, hold you for life. I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, every single moment. Hold you for life. So tight, coming closer.
Okay guys, if you don't know, this front camera is so terrible, but I'm too lazy honestly. If you don't know, I have an open closet, just in case you're wondering. My husband put that there and I never took it off, but yeah, just in case. It's like, is my cupboard a mess? Not too messy, it just needs color coordination. Yana, we need to color coordinate. Anyway, I'm back. I am back home from the event. What event? I'm back home from our Thanksgiving. It was nice. Loved it. It was a lot of work because we were creating content for my YouTube, for Tui's YouTube, and a reel for Instagram. Please stay on the lookout for that reel. And by the time you see this, it should already be out. So please go to Instagram, share, and engage. Guys, Kashipara Events did it. He did the thing. How he outdid himself. Like, it was just like 1, 2, 3. And I'm like, all of these? Sorry, my hair looks a mess. It's literally 11 o'clock. Give a girl a break. Anyway, to give a girl a break, man. Yeah, it was really nice. He just chop set it up. So I really hope he can come through with our work that we're making for him. Yeah, so thankful. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Kashipara Events, for sponsoring this part of today's video. I am so grateful and so honored to have worked with your amazing work. Why you have beautiful work. Yeah, I cannot even. It was my first time ever working with him, and it was like, it was not a paid job, but he went above and beyond for our girls' night, for our Thanksgiving. So do the right thing, guys. Thanksgiving, Friendmas, New Year's, vision board, get together, book with Kashipara Events. Stop having boring sessions. And that's not just it. Your little relationship, that one, you know, you can zhoosh it up by having a little setup done for you at home, at a park, anywhere you would like to go. Call Kashipara. Having any sort of event, call him. Guys, do the right thing. But let's talk tomorrow. Okay, ciao. Guys, please see my life with a husband who absolutely refuses to pay for delivery. I'm sitting like a bed. Because what is going on? And literally I'm burning this. I had to put this here. If I remove it, the sun will even bother you guys. But we are home. We need to move the fridge so it can go next to the. We need to move the fridge first also. And we need another double plug here to plug the washing machine. Will it now fit? Yeah.
Would like to carry it over. What is it?
Okay, let's put it on top of the table.
This is the front. You're on front of the table and the back side.
Can I come this side? Go there, I did. Because I don't remember. This place looks small already. Looks like it's coming from the tree. That one on top. Okay. Did it? Open it.
What is it? Oh.
Hey, what's your part?
Okay.
Yeah, not going to kind of it.
Okay.
So they can see it.
So you have to lift it out on the side. Or do you want us to use it inside that way thing?
No,
Yeah. Do you see the handle?
no, I don't know this is okay.
Yeah.
Drum roll. Ooh, I think we need to move it from the wall. Oh, it holds itself. I hate the sound.
She's calling.
No, it's okay. Let's wait a little bit. Okay. Come and tell baby on the inside. Hey, filming skill, baby. Yay! Close it. Wait. Oopsie, oopsie. Hiber. Not this door, child. Embarrassing me. Hey. Okay. Stop.
Yeah.
Okay. We got a new washing machine. We have a washing machine. Not even a new. Our very first washing machine. Poo, 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 poo. I'm a It is a DeFi, or D5, or whatever you choose to call it. If I tell you the story of this washing machine, guys, yeah. Hi guys, so I'm in the loop. I'm just doing a quick intro. Today is Saturday, the day after we bought the washing machine. I got it from work like around 3, and then I came home and I passed out. Today's the end function day, and I'm so tired. Guys, if there's a tired girl, it is me. I'm the most tired girl in Namibia. It is I. This light. Anyway, it's the end function day, so I woke up. I'm already late. We're supposed to arrive at 6 to start at 6:30. It's 6:25. Ask me why I'm late. I didn't even do my makeup. I was just tired and I passed out. Guys, I've been working them. I've been working for the past, last week I worked Monday to Friday, and then I worked the whole weekend. It's 7 days. This week I worked Monday to Friday and today Saturday. That's 13 days straight of going to work. I am tired. I was supposed to book somebody to do my makeup or something. Time was against me. I came and I passed out. Like I just slept. Anyway, I got this red lipstick. It's in my bag. My colleague plugged me. It's in Signature. It's like a matte red, and I think it has elevated my look. I'll tell my husband to do a full body look before I go out, but now I need to order my yango and get going. I'm wearing this black dress, but I'll show you guys properly. Anyway, let's go to the end function. I'm just going because a commitment is a commitment and I have to honor it, but I'm so tired. But let's go. Full body outfit. Okay, so dress is from Woolworths, Chewits. Handbag is Nanette Leopore. If this is like a big brand, I don't know. It's my sister's bag. Watch from Tembo, wedding ring, and yeah, that's it. My shoes are from, where are my shoes from? I think Fushimi or Truworths, one of the two. But yeah, lipstick from Signature, and let's go. I think my yango is here. All the way where the gentleman is going. Okay. We are here. Pa, pa, pa. I don't even know where my people are. Where am I even gonna sit? I'm just walking in so nicely. Let me call my girls. Please do model for me. Oh my goodness, Michaela, is that you? Wow, you look so pretty.
Thank you.
Hey, the girlies look so stunning. Oh my goodness.
I did it.
Hello. Oh my goodness. Dennis, okay, what can I be? What shit? Where are we here? How? Yes, girl. Show off. Love it. Mooney. Ella.
Cause you can never kill my vibe. But there with no sacrifices. Everything was taken, you had to make it. Vibe killer, me and no go take shit. Vibe killer.
So I just came back to end the vlog because I have a tendency of not ending the vlogs, so I was like, let me come and end it. Anyway, why do I always wear my glasses and take them off? But I just wanted to say goodbye, of course, in a nice way, and tell you guys that before you guys give me grace and think yanni the girl got a washing machine now, so she used to. No, it is not me. I will not claim it. I'm not that girl. We first had a laundry person. We used to like a lady, like someone who did laundry services for us. So they typically wash, iron, and they also clean. But then we just needed the laundry services. And then once my brother was like, "Bro, why are you paying the laundry services? Just come wash your clothes here." Because we don't really like to I think me and my siblings, we don't like to inconvenience people and each other. So it's like, no, come and wash here. Stop paying for it. So then we started doing laundry at my brother's because the washing machine we wanted, we saw the same washing machine, but then it was on promotion, so it was at the price that we bought it for now, right? But then when we went, it was off promotion, and off promotion, it is expensive. It is like way out of our budget, like out. So we didn't even save for it. We're just like, we're not buying it for that price. I don't know, maybe because it's a 14 kg and it is eco what we're just like, no. So we waited until Black Friday. I think we started scouting like September. Was it September? No, after we got the TV, we started scouting for it, and then we found it, I think like in August. And then when we found it, we were like, okay, we'll come buy it, because it was like in August, but we had other things to do, so like, we'll come buy it September. The price went up and we're like, no. So then now finally in Black Friday, the price came all the way back down to the original price again. So we got it. We have a washing machine. But yeah, I just wanted to say bye, guys. I'm going to start a new vlog tomorrow, so I need to close this off and upload it for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, what I showed, you know, our girls' night and the year-end function. I also couldn't vlog like too much because I had to get content from the people that I was vlogging. So yeah, I just wanted to say I hope you enjoyed the vlog, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and join the K Nation. Also, if you're an oldie and you enjoyed the vlog, also if you're a newbie and you enjoyed the vlog, please hit the like button so more people can see our vlog and so more people can discover the channel. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.